Alright, you've seen the title, you know what horrors we're going to do today. We are going to put Windows on a Raspberry Pi 3 that is quite possibly on its last legs. Such an incredible delay. So, we gotta go to Pi Apps to get what we need, which may take a while. It's just a hunch. I do not care for you. Alright, we gotta... Yep. This is really how we roll. Good sir, would you prefer if I turned your resolution down? Oh, I'm looking at the wrong. Let me see if I can do this. Uh, Control Center. Do you have resolution controls? There's no resolution control in display. Well, worth a try. No. Alright. We just paste that into terminal and then we get Pi apps. Eventually. Why do you need to add NEUS locale? You are Pi apps. You are not the fucking United States government. Okay, there we go. My brother in Christ, this is my third time recording this segment. I know how to use Pi apps by now. So we go in Pi apps, we execute, do it in terminal. Snazzy. Okay, I think it's in tools. Ew, crypto. Cringe. It's Windows Flasher? Yeah, Windows Flasher. And then we give it its time. Hooray, finally. Alright then. Now we just go to accessories. Not accessories. Uh, huh. Very cool. Thank you, Monsieur Pi. Okay, that very nice. Restart. Maybe it'll be there. Resetting PC worked again. Well, Raspberry Pi. Yeah, about that. You don't know this, but I am on a Raspberry Pi 3 that does not support this project. Yeah, no, pi 10. No, win 10 on a pi 3. And then you do the stuff, but I've already recorded this entire fucking video, and I'm having to re-record this segment because there was no microphone audio. So, yeah. I might do something a bit silly later. Finally, after waiting 20 minutes for it to load, I'm on this screen. Amazing. Good to know. Alright, I got 4 games, and I have no hope that any of them will run. But we'll try. These are all installed via Steam, by the way, as you can see. So it's going to be even worse. Fucking Christ.
Replacing the cooling fan, and even adding Bluetooth controller ports to this console. But one thing I
My good fucking lord. How many seconds is this per frame? Let me in the training room. I want to see this. Did it just give up loading? Excuse me. Oh wait, no. I think it was still trying.
consoles or something similar. This 8BitDo NGC mod kit seemed to be the best option for this since it includes Hall effect sticks from K-Silver that come attached to a new motherboard. It also makes the controller wireless and adds a rechargeable battery. I also wanted to replace the shell, so I got this kit from my friends at Extreme Ray.
Oh, we're in game. I am moving. At least I'm pressing the buttons to move. The PlayStation 2 version of this game is embarrassed by this performance. And personally, I am too. SMH. You know what? You've had a good showing. You've had a good showing that pizza. Yeah, no, the heatsink does fucking nothing.
I love clear electronics, so this is right up my alley. This video is sponsored by PCB.